Nice area, huh? That's us. This is a building we're staying at, Celebration Center.
Dude. See, I'm cool.
That's funny as we're speaking about it.
Oh. What was that? What you got, bud? What are you guys doing taking my dogs?
They're all wanting to get spayed and neutered.
Guys, you're coming back. Oops. What? Okay, here's a main street up here.
That's that four-way stop street.
Yeah, we couldn't see what road it was, all right? Just wanting to know if you had anything to say.
Well, let's see. It's a great organization that's doing this. Unfortunately, some people forget that it's animals and they need to be found and realize that they're not kidnapping animals. They're out on the street. People pick them up.
That's awesome. What's your name?
Owen.
Folks out there that are gonna come in and
How's it going, bud?
go after us.
The internet thing is such a great thing. It helps do all that.
Here's your phone. Hi.
I named him Lucky because he had to be lucky because he took some kind of bad lick. And I got
You
him.
think you got hit? You found him where?
Down there in Texarkana, he was at a dump site. Somebody had thrown him out.
Somebody throwed him out at a dump site. This good-looking guy right here.
Yeah, he was poor, skinny, but I got him up a little better.
Yeah. What's your first name?
Mine, James.
James.
I call him Lucky because I call him Lucky getting hit like that.
Yeah. For surviving it. What are you doing, Roy? It's a house. There's another house bent. What street is this? There's where that dog was earlier. See the water line?
Yeah, I just saw one about if you go down, not this block, 'cause that's a one-way.
Okay, two
Next
blocks
block
down.
was
Beer, liquor, and cold cuts.
And Roy.
That's right.
There's 3 pups under the house, no mom under the house. The pups appear to be 4 or 6 weeks old. So we'll go back and hope to find mom under there and take all of them. Otherwise we're not going to take them. Or keep coming back until we find mom under there.
What are you doing?
Writing what we did today. It's the only way that I can keep track of what goes on. In fact,
Yeah,
I missed
that's-
it down there.
You left the 2 pups down there.
Yeah, we left the 2 pups down there. The mom was sitting outside, but she hadn't gone back into the den yet. And she didn't look like she was going to either. So we just kind of left them down there, hoping that maybe early tomorrow morning, like 6-ish, she'll be in there still sleeping, and then we can extract. And we found 3 pups instead of 2.
Oh, good.
2 were reported, but I think we found 3 in there. A brown one, a gray one, and a black one. So we'll be up again, I think wake up's at 5:30, and we will be on the road by 6. And should know whether we have mom and pups by about 6:30.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna probably be there to get that.
Okay.
Night.
Remember the way?
Yep.
Okay.
Be done, doodles. Doodles.
Hi. Oh, don't stop picking on my accent.
He's new. She's adopted. This girl's adopted. Yes. Okay.
This one here is super
Okay.
beautiful. It's a little girl, actually. She's a girl.
What is she doing?
She's ready to be adopted. She's gorgeous and super friendly. She's got a tail about long, and she wags it.
Come on.
Do you want to get down?
Come on, Miss Kitty.
No, we're not quite shy. There we go.
Come on, Miss Kitty.
You come down, you gotta learn how to jump down, maybe.
Come on.
Can you do it?
She says, hey, wait a minute. I was on the bottom.
I was on the bottom.
She wags.
How come there's cats back here?
Because they're in isolation due to being FIV positive, which is feline AIDS. Yeah. I mean, they can live long lives. Close to 60?
60, so averaging like every day about 60 cats in here. Adopted, brought in.
Yeah, and they're cycling through.
Oh yeah, I make the run to the vet a lot. Brought back a lot of cats this evening. It was rather crowded in here as we were sorting out cages
Yeah.
and who went where and who wound up back in the cage, keep the paperwork straight, figure out which ones are now on meds and so forth. I was just out scrounging through the storage sheds, see what's useful out there that might be good for the cats and grab it.
Right. Good job.
Well,
If everybody does a little bit here and there, it's
anything like this is volunteer and you're living off of donations, you learn to be an effective scrounger.
that's true.
Let's go. Make do with what you got.
Thanks.
And grab the good stuff before someone else does.
Raining a little bit.
Back there?
I don't see your mama. I see puppies. There's one.
No, mama.
Let me see.
All right.
You got a puppy. What? That's a good way of looking under there.
Oh, all right.
Come here, let's check your
Get those pots.
Come here, come here, come here. I know. Hey, do we have a blanket for these little guys?
We have some warm stuff.
We need blankets.
Okay.
Let me see.
Somebody have some towels or anything, or?
Yeah, we've got some stuff on.
Okay.
You have blankets? I'm laying
I
up
have
this
a very
drip, drip,
soft,
drip, drip.
I have a very soft cotton shirt.
Dog food smelling tasty. I think I'm gonna
Smelling
have
tasty.
myself some lunch.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie.
Girl. Can you give me that one and I'll warmth it up? Hi, baby. I know.
I don't think he's had the runt. This guy doesn't look like a runt.
He's feisty,
This
man.
guy's got a little feist in him.
Yeah.
Oh, these are all good to take.
Yeah, I think so.
They look like it. Come here, little guy. Oh,
I know
hey,
you're just
hey,
so
sweetie.
ecstatic.
Your brothers and sisters didn't do this.